And when a new challenge comes your way, it may seem hard at the moment, but the more you grow, the more you get better. That challenge that seemed so hard suddenly becomes easy. And I give this example of going to the gym because you carry weights. At the start, carrying 10 kilos might be very, very hard. But because you've done it over and over, you got accustomed to it, you got better, you gain skills, you gain experience. What used to be hard before is not as hard anymore. Good morning to everyone. So I'm taking a stroll with little Satoshi right here. For those who have been following me, and I've been really active posting in YouTube, probably 2018, 2019, you saw how active my life was, and moving around, also going for talks that I really believe in and I love to do. And from the time COVID hit, we were basically stuck at home. And the year after that also, we were in and out of the hospital also because we were doing what we could to have my wife get pregnant, which at that time was very hard also because it was at the time 2021 where there were stricter lockdowns as well. Then eventually in the middle of the year, we found out that she had the chance to get pregnant. The whole 2020 for me was like everything got pulled because of the lockdowns. Then 2021 was going in and out of the hospital for her pregnancy. Then 2022, half of that was catering to her pregnancy. Then half of that also was little Satoshi right here coming out already and being a father. Why am I saying all of this? Life will not go the way you planned it to be, but that's part of it. If everything that you do is easy or you feel that you're not challenged, that means also you're not growing, you're not achieving something. This is so cool. Oh, this is how they transport stuff here. I don't know what they're bringing, but because I think it's hard to take out stuff from the elevator. The elevators here are very small. But anyways, everything in my life where I felt discomfort or I felt that I was placed in an area where I think that I was in over my head, it was an opportunity for growth, which led to other things that I think were actually better. If you're watching this and you're saying that you feel that there's so much discomfort and the things that you want to do are not actually going your way, it's part of how we achieve things. It's part of how you elevate yourself to become a better employee, entrepreneur, and investor. What happens normally is when things get hard, majority of the people run back, majority of the people also quit. What I want to submit to you is don't run back, don't stop, don't surrender, keep on doing what you're supposed to do. Things just get harder. People always say that things will get better, things will get okay, but what they fail to realize is things will get harder. It's just that you get better. When you get better, when you grow, when you're not the same person as who you were before, what seems so hard 10 years ago becomes so easy today. And when a new challenge comes your way, it may seem hard at the moment, but the more you grow, the more you get better. That challenge that seemed so hard suddenly becomes easy. And I give this example of going to the gym because you carry weights. At the start, carrying 10 kilos might be very hard. But because you've done it over and over, you got accustomed to it, you got better, you gain skills, you gain experience. What used to be hard before is not as hard anymore. What people don't realize also is in the world of investing and business and personal finance and in your career also as a whole, it's intangibles like this that when times are tough, when times don't go the way you want it to go, instead of running, instead of quitting, instead of complaining, why not be the person that sees that as an opportunity to grow? Why not be the person that sees that as an opportunity on how you can actually get better? Why not see that as an opportunity where everyone quits? You're the one that's pushing forward. You're the one that's trying to be better. You're the one that's pulling forward. It's so important to realize that when you save, especially if you're watching this and you're in your 20s or you're in your 30s, you have a lot of time in your hand. It will give you the wiggle room that you can explore other things that are important to you. You can explore other things that you're passionate about. You can explore other things that may seem risky to other people, but because you have a buffer somehow of how you save money, you can pursue that career that you want, even though it may not give you dividends yet, or you may do that investment that you may want also, but to a lot of people it seems risky, but since you have a buffer for it, I think it should be okay as well. There will be times, there will be eras, there will be seasons in your life where you have to embrace it, not run away from it, and use it as an opportunity for you to realize that this is part of growth, This is part of getting better. This is part of how you become a better individual as well. Because there will be challenges. It will get hard, but you just have to get stronger. You just have to get better. Especially for me, I'm married and I also have little Satoshi right here. Napatingin si little Satoshi, guys. Oh. Little Satoshi! That are relying on you. That how you respond to challenges and how you navigate through change affects them as well. So I want to say this, that how you succeed and how you do better will be a springboard also, either to affect other people's lives, or it will be an inspiration also to other people who are watching and want to see you actually succeed. Because people want to see other people succeed, because when they see other people succeed, they will realize also that, hey, there's actually a way out. There's actually a way out of this. There's actually a way to actually be better. And when you traverse that and when you do something that a lot of people that don't do, you'll be an inspiration to them. You'll be the person that people will also look up to. Not because you're trying to live your life pushing that people look up to you, but it's just you not quitting. And it's just you moving forward to hit whatever goal or plan you may have as well. Things will get tougher. We're in an ever-changing environment. AI is here also. And as AI is here, it will disrupt so many things. Now's the time to get better. Now's the time also to assess where we are so that you can move forward. However bad things may be, you have a backup plan and you have a way out for it as well. So I guess that's it. Just me sharing from my heart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.